Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Up faces fury of BJP Congress over Punjab's role in polls. Over 300 Punjab leaders led by CM Bhagwat Mann are campaigning in Delhi. The BJP and Congress joined forces on Wednesday to attack Delhi's ruling up ahead of next month's assembly election. Their criticism focused on Punjab police allegedly campaigning for AAP and the surge of Punjab registered vehicle in Delhi before Republic Day and the February 5 polls. According to party sources, over 300 leaders from Punjab, including the Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, chairpersons of boards and corporations, and volunteers, have been stationed. The BJP, determined to breach this stronghold, has not only mirrored AAP's welfare promises but in some cases have countered them. For instance, while Arvind Kejriwal announced ARS 2100 monthly allowance for women, the BJP countered with Rs 2500, intensifying the competition for voters' trust. To counter this aggressive push, AAP has mobilized its Punjab unit in full force. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann is leading the charge, holding 2 to 3 road shows every day with AAP candidates in various constituencies across Delhi. One in a road show in the Nagar constituencies on Tuesday said by pressing the Jhadu button on the 5th, your responsibility ends and our begins by fulfilling the promises made to people. In Delhi, Punjab, we roam in the court of people. People who call our public facilities revenues are misleading the people. AAP's Punjab Chief Aman Arora is also holding road shows and padyatras across the city. Each Punjab MLA has been tasked with managing one constituency, while ministers are overseeing 2 to 3 constituencies each. Sources said the Punjab leadership is also engaging in grassroots campaigns focusing on door-to-door outreach and public engagement, highlighting AAP's welfare scheme implemented in Punjab, such as the establishment of Aam Aadmi clinics, creation of 48,000 jobs, and the provision of 300 units of free electricity to reinforce the party's credibility. This election is not just a battle for poor but also a referendum on AAP's governance model, which has been implemented in Delhi and Punjab. The stakes are higher than ever for the party, with the Punjab mounting an unprecedented challenge. The BJP has accused AAP of misusing Punjab government resources to bolster its campaign in Delhi. BJP leader and candidate from New Delhi constituencies challenging Kejriwal Parvez Verma elected at vehicles with Punjab registration plates, government teachers and materials such as chairs and water dispensers have been diverted to Delhi for election purposes. The controversy was sparked by BJP's Pravesh Verma, who first raised concerns over the alleged election related activities of Punjab police, with tensions rising ahead of the polls. The political battle between AAP, BJP, and Congress has intensified, making law enforcement and voter influence key issues in the run up to the Delhi elections. Parvez Verma said he had complained to the Election Commission that Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann and his cabinet colleagues distributed cash and alcohol to voters in the constituencies to influence them in the upcoming Delhi Assembly election. I have filed a complaint to the Election Commission and also filed a written complaint to the Delhi police that in last 1 week thousands of cards of Punjab are roaming around in the New Delhi Assembly constituencies. Punjab CM Minister, their MLAs and their party workers are roaming in their private cars that have Government of Punjab's stickers pasted on them. Kejriwal slams BJP's Verma, demands apology for insulting Punjabis. Former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday lashed out at BJP leader Parvez Verma, his opponent from the New Delhi constituencies, describing him as Delhi ka chota sa ladka, a small kid from Delhi who has started challenging Punjabis. Kejriwal, during a press conference, said both Verma and Union Home Minister Amit Shah should apologize to Punjabis for insulting them. Verma alleged on Tuesday that Kejriwal was misusing state machinery and resources of Punjab, where AAP is in power, to support his campaign in the New Delhi constituencies. He has filed complaints with both the Election Commission and Delhi Police. Thousands of vehicles with Punjab registration plates are roaming around here. Who are in those vehicles? Preparations for celebrating January 26th Republic Day are going on here. Are they going to do something big here that could put our security system at risk? Verma had said at the press conference in Delhi on Wednesday. Kejriwal addressed the issue and claimed Verma has said vehicles from Punjab are seen in Delhi and no one knew who were sitting inside, and that it was a threat ahead of Republic Day. So are all Punjabis terrorists, traitors, and a threat to the country? Kejriwal asked. This small kid from Delhi, Parvez Verma, is now challenging the Punjabis of Delhi and Punjab, he said, asserting the community has made a significant contribution to making Delhi what it is today. Home Minister Amit Shah should apologize to the country and the Punjabis over Verma's statement. Kejriwal said the descendants of Delhi's Punjabis gave their lives for the country, and lakhs of refugees who came from Pakistan faced untold atrocities, he added, menacing no words up. National Governor Arvind Kejriwal accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of misusing the Delhi police to facilitate its campaign in the national capital and intimidate AAP workers. Addressing the press, Kejriwal echoed Delhi Chief Minister Atishi in accusing the BJP workers for spreading fear and undermining democratic processes in various constituencies of the capital. Atishi alleged that those who threatened the AAP volunteers included a nephew of Ramesh Puduri, the BJP candidate from the constituencies. All the Delhi police is with the BJP. No one is there for the security and safety of the people. One of the SHOs told me that told me they get direct instructions from the Ministry of Home Affairs to disrupt our rallies. Kejriwal told a press conference underlining the need to resort to violence. Kejriwal claimed the BJP faces a historic historic defeat in Delhi, and that is why its workers are resorting to hooliganism with the support of police. Thank you guys for watching this.